Use the screwdriver to measure which wire is live and which one is neutral. Now turn off the main power. Connect the extension clip to both the live and neutral wire. Also connect an extension clip to the load wire of the light. Connect the neutral wire from the light to the main neutral line. Connect the extra wire to the live line extension. Now connect the SD-101. Connect the N wire to the neutral line. Connect the brown L wire to the live line. Connect the N01 to the load wire. 3 wires now remain, 1 live wire, S1 and S2. Connecting the switch. This switch has 1 button for up and 1 for down. Both COM are connected together. Connect the live wire to the COM of the switch. Connect the S1 wire to the L1 of the up switch. Connect the S2 wire to the L1 of the down switch. Now power on the main power. The SD-101 will start to blink red. You can now include the SD-101 to the app. When the LED does not blink, push the button 3 times in rapid succession. Put the cables and SD-101 back in the box. Click on the dimmer icon. Select Config. Enter param, 3, enter value, 3, enter size, 1 and press right. The SD-101 setting has now been changed from single switch to up and down switch. When pushing the up button, the light will turn on. When pushing the down button, the light will turn off. When clicking the dimmer text in the app, the light will turn on and off. Click on the dimmer icon to change the brightness level. Move the bar from left to right to increase and decrease the level. When press the up switch, the brightness will also increase, and when pressing the down switch, the brightness will decrease.